myself dry. Oh yeah.
Oh my God, ganyan. Be, tingnan mo, ganyan gagawin natin. Ganyan gagawin natin. Hindi ko kaya.
Hindi naman yan. Hindi naman delikado yun. Hindi naman yan matutumba.
Ganda, no? Be, tingnan mo, ang ganda. Ang ganda, be. Ha?
I need a lover to keep me sane. Pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give him my all when I don't even have it. I always dream of a someone face, someone who feels like a holiday. Now I'm in pieces, barely believing, starting to think that I've lost all fear. You came out of blue on a rainy night, no lie. I tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. I'm afraid the living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever, till you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby. Baby, you're my angel, angel, baby. Fall in love with the little things, counting the tattoos on your skin. Tell me a secret, baby, I'll keep it. Maybe we can play house for the weekend. You came out the blue on a rainy night, no lie. Tell you how I almost died, while you're bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid the living couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel, angel baby.
Okay, dyan.
fly. No, we. Marco, Gigi.
Hindi pala siya natutulog. Wait. Kayong dalawang magkaharap.
Sorry.
Ano, doon na tayo. Twin. Ay!
Nakahilo yata ako.
How can we
Oo, tatayo siya sa gilid. Masa.
Hindi pa ako dapat gilid.
Dito hindi makahawa yun.
Oo.
Parang receive.
Ito nga sa may... Kaya meron palang dilaw. Ako ba, mahulog tayo eh.
Ay, yung may tower.
Dapat yung video. I-share ko naman ito sa ano. Dahil yan.
Ano ba yung video?
How about San Osolomio? I know. Walang director's view. Ay, wala. Hindi ko alam. Cellphone na mga mag-aaral.
All the sick and twisted nights that I've been waiting for you, they were worth it all along.
Maski na.
Pero kahit na walang liliguan. Yung CR na nga lang mo, manghirap eh. Yung liliguan mo pa.
Sabi niya mo wala siya.
Kaya mag-aaway, mag-aaway kayo eh.
So wala akong nakikita nakamaskara.
Nagagalaw ako. No, daddy.
Kuya naman eh. Naman. Yung church yun. Ang ganda ng iba yung pagkakaroon.
Akala namin kung saan kita nyo eh. Tagal eh. Sinong ina-ina?
Ibig sabihin wala pang ganito si ano, yung may-ari. Huwag natanggal eh. Tatawag siya.
Basta ako.
Nakainom ka lang. Konti.
Hindi ako napakainom.
Gusto ko ng...
Ayun pala oh.
Pa-picture,
Ayun pala eh.
pa-picture yan.
2 euros yan.
Kala nyo masaya sa dulo ah. At pala sinabi ko no, mababasa kayo sa dulo.
Basa giusto.
I just wanna live in this moment forever. I'm afraid the living couldn't get any
Papasok ka sa
better.
loob. Pero malaman.
Started giving up on the word forever.
Kanina layo eh.
Sabi, hintayin pa natin sila.
Matagal pa na siya. Nag-adjust na yata si Tarek.
Ito yung kaninang Shit, tatay naman.
Kuya. Kuya naman eh.
Restaurant. Tapos nasa iskinita lang.
The word forever. Until you give up heaven so we could be together.